Biotronix Pneumatic Shockwave Therapy, Extracorporeal Radial Shockwave Therapy. This is air compression based, so this is the pneumatic model, and you can see the as this is air compression based, this is the heavy duty one, and the weight of the same will be around 15 kg. And this is the accessory box, this is the prop, this is the device, these are the stands. You have to put the same like that, and you can put the attachments over here in those stands. You can see the accessory case, and these are the different heads: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are total 7 heads, different heads according to the treatment area. Some are smaller, some are larger, according to the same. This is the electrode gel, and these are the tool kit to open this probe and all. This is the main code to operate the same. I have already connected the main code, and I have connected the probe with the same. This is the carry box for the machine. You can see we have to put we put the same in the same, and during transport this box ensure that the package will not get damaged, the machine will not get damaged. Now I will show you how to operate the machine. This is the main screen, and this is the touch screen, and these are the 10 treatment areas. You can see elbow, knee, shoulder according to the same. Also there is option for the erectile dysfunction, ED. So ED treatment plus physiotherapy. This is the combination of both the treatments, physiotherapy plus ED therapy. And for the slimming, we also have the fat accumulation program. So you can see the same. Now I will show you how to operate the same. Like I have selected the knee program, and in the knee it is showing that this is the pre-selection. 3000 shots is already selected in the program, and currently it's showing the 0000 means I have not started the same. When I will start the same, the counter will start increasing as many as shot the machine will provide, so it will goes up to 3000. This is the frequency. You can select the frequency from 1 Hz to 22 Hz, but already saved in the same as 10 Hz. So if you want to customize according to the doctor's need or treatment need, you can customize the same by increasing or decreasing, or else you can put the same as it is. The energy bar is 3.5 bar here. You have the option for 0.5 bar to 10 bar here. 10 bar is the maximum energy bar. You can increase or decrease accordingly. 0.5, 1, 1.5, in the multiple of 0.5 it will be increased, and it will go up to 10 bar. So I am just putting the same on the 3.5 already. Now if you don't want to use the touch screen and all, you have this mouse feature over here too. If I go by using this, you can see the indicator will go from all the programs. You can see that arrow, mouse arrow. If I put the same on the elbow, and if I press the same, the elbow program will open. Now if I go to from here to here, you can see the indicator going there. Any of the same you want to increase or decrease, you can select the same, then increase or decrease like this. So now I am starting the device. I have started the same from here. Now this is the prop, and I have to start the same from pressing this button. You can see I am getting the shock wave. You can see the movement of my hand. Currently the energy is just 3 bar. I am increasing the energy from 3 bar to 10 bar. This is quite a high energy value. You can see. If I want to decrease the frequency, I can decrease. You can see the variation. And if I want to increase, by pressing the same, the counter is getting increased. You can see and when it will reach 2500 the machine will stop. But in between, if you want to stop the same, you have to press this button. Thank you.